In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily purchase and download a digital product from Etsy. Whether you're looking to buy printable art, templates, or any other digital items, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to find the digital product you're interested in. Head over to Etsy and use the search bar to explore a wide range of digital products available to you. Once you type in the keywords for whatever it is you're looking for, whether it's a specific art design, a set of templates, or something else entirely, you'll see a multitude of options. As you browse, take your time to review the product details and read customer reviews to ensure you're choosing exactly what you need. With so much variety, you're sure to find something that catches your eye. After you've found the perfect digital item, the next step is to add it to your shopping cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button. This action will save the item to your cart, allowing you to continue shopping if you wish. When you're ready to make your purchase, click on Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to a new page where you can finalize your purchase. Now comes the payment stage. Enter your payment details as prompted. Etsy offers several payment methods for your convenience, so select the one that suits you best. Double check all the information to make sure it's correct, and then finish the purchase. Once your payment is processed, you're almost there. Immediately after completing your payment, you'll see a Download Your Files button on the confirmation page. This handy feature allows you to access your digital items instantly. But that's not the only way. If you navigate away from this page or wish to download later, you can always access your digital download from your Etsy account. To do this, go to the top menu and click on You, then select Purchases and Reviews. Here, you will find a list of things you've bought, and you can easily locate your digital purchase. Once you find your order, click on Download Files. This action will initiate the download of the digital files to your device. Typically, these files come in formats like zip or PDF. Click the download link or links provided to save these files directly to your computer or phone. If the files are compressed in a zip format, you will need to unzip them to access their content. Many devices have built-in tools to help you do this effortlessly. And there you have it. Once the files are opened, you can start using them right away as intended. Be it to print out and decorate your space with some beautiful new art or to utilize a useful template, you have now completed the process of purchasing and downloading a digital product from Etsy smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.